Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make curvy wall-mounted bench. Okay, first of all, we have to make the 2-point arcs. We can start from here. We can place on here. We can make this curve, and then we can continue it to make the another curve over there. Okay, we can do this. Okay, and then we can select it, and we can move and duplicate it to the another position anyway. Okay, and then we can select it and offset it inside or outside. It's depend on you. Around 150 millimeter. Then we can delete. We can close this line anyway. Okay, and then we can just push it up around 600 millimeter approximately. Okay. Okay, and then maybe we can just make the another variation about the wall anyway. Just something like this. Okay, you can see about it. Okay, and then we can just make it group, and then we can and then we can make the another element. We can make this bench, well-mounted bench itself. We can offset it outside around 400 millimeter sample. So then we can close this uncompleted plane of there. Then we have to push it up around 60 millimeter approximately. So then we can just make it group, and we can make another variation of the material. We can use this anyway. So then we can adjust the texture of this image. Okay, we can use this, or maybe we can just make unique texture. So then we can adjust the texture itself. I'm sorry, it's getting trouble. Okay, maybe it's just, for example, we can okay, we can just move on this position. We can, and then we can move it up around 400 millimeter, or we can move it down a little bit, just something like this. Okay, so and then we can just select this line anyway. We can select this curvy line. We can copy, and we can paste in place. Okay, and then we can make the another line over there. We can use this, so we can make a plane. We can push it up around, just something like this, and then we can just offset this inside. We can just, I'm sorry, we can just make group, and we can make the landscape element. We can select this vegetation press over there, and then we can select the concrete material of it, and this concrete material. Okay, so I have to set the distance on this. Okay, I have to select the measurement of every single element over there. Okay, so you can follow this exercise, and we can just select shadow to make the shading, so it will look realistic than before. Thanks for watching, and I hope and wait for my next video. Thank you.